dead tree that was in our old pig pen across the trail, so I'm going to try to move it with the tractor. I'm not going to promise anything, guys, but it's going to get on that tree. Want to move it enough so we eventually want to go on the trail.